Are you wondering if GetResponse is the best email marketing software? Let me share my honest review in simple words. Stay with me because I'll explain what it is, what it offers, and how it helped me grow 2 different businesses, first a local one, and then my e-commerce store. I'll also break down the pricing and why you should try it for free. When I started using GetResponse in 2020, it was during the lockdown. My small local business was struggling, and I needed a way to connect with my customers. With GetResponse, I set up email campaigns, sent newsletters, and kept people updated about my services. It worked like magic. People stayed loyal, and my business grew. By 2023, I launched an online store, and guess what? I used GetResponse again. This time, I took advantage of their email templates and marketing tools to reach more customers. It helped me grow my sales by 10 times. Their features made it easy to create professional emails that looked amazing and got people to buy from me. So, what exactly is GetResponse? It's an email marketing tool that helps businesses send emails, create landing pages, and build forms or pop-ups. It even has a drag-and-drop editor that anyone can use, no coding needed. They have over 200 free templates to make things easy, whether you're making a newsletter, setting up an autoresponder, or launching a new campaign. Here's the best part, you can try it for free. For 30 days, you get access to all the premium features, and you don't even need a credit card to sign up. After the trial, you can decide if it's right for you. If not, no problem, you can cancel. Now, let's talk about pricing. For up to 1,000 contacts, the monthly plan is $19. If you choose a 12-month plan, it drops to $15 per month, and for 24 months, it's just $13 per month. The longer you commit, the more you save, up to 60%. They also have plans for bigger lists, so you can scale as your business grows. GetResponse made a big difference for me. It helped me keep my customers, grow my store, and build strong relationships through email. If you're thinking about starting email marketing, I'd say give it a try. The free trial is a great way to see what it can do for your business. That's my honest review. Click the link below to try all the premium features for free in 30 days. Thanks for watching, and let me know how it works for you.